Welcome to a short tutorial on how to configure customized fields in iQ-WEB RIS. As administrator, I want to configure customized fields to add missing input fields to the database. For doing this task, I will go to Administration tab. Choose System tab. Then go to Customize Field tab and press the blue +New button. Now I will enter information for creating new custom fields, such as BMI, additional information, and invoice number, and I will save them one by one. The custom fields are added to the table. Now I have to add this customized fields into customized fields item packages. Then I have to choose and enable these packages under System, Configuration, Customize tab. Now to test the customized fields, I will go to Patient tab and create a new patient with the blue +New button. I will go to Customized Fields tab. The patient level customized field is visible. Save the patient details and open the new patient with the file icon. I will go to Orders tab and press the blue +New button. Order level customized field is visible in the order editor. In the Procedure tab, the procedure level customized field is visible. Thank you for your attention.